Hi friends! So I have a pretty exciting unboxing today. This is actually an Amazon unboxing. I was hoping to maybe throw some AliExpress things in here, but my items are taking forever to get here. In order to curb my nail addiction hunger, I put in an order to Amazon and another order. So here is the box with my stuff in it. So it's, not a grape size box, but big enough. So let me just show you what I got. So here's a peek. I haven't looked at this yet. Let's open it together. Okay. Ooh, fun. All right, so some of this is repeat buys, so that's okay. So since I've been watching YouTube, I have heard a lot about the Expert Touch lint-free nail wipes from OPI. I don't know why it took me so long to hear about those, but it did. So these are them. And let's see, how much did I pay for these? I will try and include the prices because I know that I appreciate the prices, and I will link the items down below. So these are called, actually in the description, they're called On-One nail lint-free box. They don't even say OPI in the description at all, but it does say OPI on the box. So these were $6.50, and you do get 475 wipes. And in the description it said 325, but on the box it says 46% more, so I guess you get 475 instead. So these are the wipes, like this. Most of you have seen those, pretty standard, so I'm excited to try those wipes. Then I did get another nail stand. I don't have one like this. I bought one on AliExpress. It is taking forever and a day to get here, so I decided to buy one on Amazon, and I know they're way more money on Amazon because I bought one on AliExpress, but I'm getting impatient and I'm tired of waiting. So I went ahead and bought one. So I just got a clear acrylic one with silver tips or silver stands. This set, I'm ashamed to say, I spent $6.99 on it, whereas on Amazon, on AliExpress, they're like $1. But, like I said, tired of waiting. Amazon Prime, you get it. Literally, I ordered these 2 days ago. And it's here, so now I can use it. So these are wonderful. You do need sticky tack. I have that. So you can buy sticky tack on Amazon. I actually bought mine on Amazon. Let me show it to you. Sorry for my reach. I actually got the white because I didn't want it to show up. The blue is kind of harder to, especially when you're making a video. I have a feeling it would be harder to see because it shows up through the clear and even the white nails. So the blue is $1 at Dollar Tree, or the white sticky tack was like $2 on Amazon. So just my personal preference, I chose the white. All right, so thankfully I have one of those now, so I don't have to use my llama. Okay, then I got some tips. I got some full coverage coffin tips, and these are Makartt. And the reason I got these is so I can attempt to make press-on nails. And I know that's like everybody's doing it, but why not? Why not try? So here's all the sizes. I really like the Makartt tips because they are not, they're just really good quality. So 0 through 10, there's 500 pieces, or 0 through 9, 0 through 9. And yeah, I'm really excited to play with these so that I can make some press-on nails. I do have some coming from AliExpress as well, but again, waited for them for 3 months now, and I'm done waiting. So the next two things I wanted to try Beetles. I've never tried Beetles gel polishes. And I saw this gel polish kit and I was like, let's do a fun video where we review a whole gel polish kit for like a beginner gel polish person. So someone who's never done gel polish, wants to start, but doesn't want to invest a lot of money. I thought I will go ahead and buy this kit. So, I forgot to tell you, the tips, by the way, they were $12 for 500. So actually that's a pretty decent deal, especially for Makartt, good quality tips. I was pretty impressed by that. And then this kit, which I'll just give you a quick peek because I am going to make a separate video on this. This kit from Beetles, it's called the Beetles Purple Glitter Gel Polish Starter Kit. It was $26, $25.99. So in it, you get your pamphlets, your application guide, you get some tools, you get polishes, and you get actually even a lamp. So I'm going to do a review on this kit in a separate video. I don't want to do it in this because it'll take too long. Basically in this kit you get, I'll just open it I guess. Might as well add some time to this video. So I'll review all these. You get a brush, some toe separators, you get 2 of those. You get cuticle oil pin. You get, let's see, a buffer, one of these cuticle cutters. I've seen these in videos, never tried one, don't even know how in the world you would use one, but now I have one. You also get a 100/180 sanding file, nail file. You get some clippers, which these are really heavy duty clippers. I don't know what else I was expecting, and you get a cuticle pusher. So again, I'll do like a whole manicure with this kit in another video and review it. So I'll just put that away in a minute. Here are the polishes. You get a top coat, base coat, and a matte top coat. Then you get these colors. So I'll just quickly, they do have so this is 411. Ooh. I'm really excited to try these. I've heard great things about this company, even though they're not a substantial amount. They're only 5 milliliters. They're great to test, especially for beginners. You don't need a lot. Obviously, if you're doing this professionally, you're gonna need more. So these are the colors I'm just quickly showing you. Again, I will do a full review in another video. I like these colors. These are really pretty purple. Purple's been my new favorite color. Pink has almost always been my favorite, but recently here, I have been obsessed with purple. And then here is the lamp. So it's very small, portable, which I love. I actually did really want a portable lamp so that when I go to visit my family back in Iowa, I always have my nail stuff with me. All right, last thing I did get was a Beetles Perfect 6 gel polish. Again, I'm going to probably do a swatch of these, and maybe I'll do that in another video. I won't do that in this one. My son is screaming. I really don't want to make him wait any longer. My daughters are taking care of him. All right, these are bigger sizes. These are 7.3 milliliters, and it's a nice gray. This is actually called the Bridesmaid. I want to say it's called the Bridesmaid collection. Yeah. And this is $16 for all 6 of these. A light gray. Then we have this nice pink. We have this like purpley taupe. And finally, we have this pink. I will test those out, and we will see how I like them. So that's it for this video. Not too long, hopefully. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye.